Hi, this is Lisa Somerville for Divinity Designs. Welcome to another Tuesday's tutorials. In this tutorial, I'm going to be sharing with you the extra large nugget box along with some coordinating die sets. Here you can see a few finished projects using the extra large nugget box along with additional Divinity Designs products. The extra large nugget box is a set of 7 dies. This die set includes the box top, the box layer, the box bottom, and 4 nugget wrappers. To embellish the decorated nuggets, you can use the alphabet caps die. This is a set of 43. To embellish the top of the extra large nugget box, you could use the nugget box snowflake die. And I also have 3 additional die sets to share with you that you can use to decorate the extra large nugget box. The Slimline Merry Christmas banner and layer die set. This is a set of 2. Slimline House and Layer Silhouettes die set. This is a set of 4. And the Slimline Tree and Hill Silhouettes die set. This is a set of 3. Again, when using our dies, anytime you see 2 shades of purple on the packaging or the web images, that does indicate that you should emboss your dies for best results. In addition to those die sets, you can use many of our word dies. On my finished project, I also used the Merry Christmas and Layers 2 die set. This is a set of 2. It contains the word die and the layering die. Now I'd like to share with you a quick tutorial to show you how easy it is to assemble the extra large nugget box die set. At the end of the video, I'll be sharing additional inspiration with you from our design team. Before I show you just how easy it is to create the nugget box, I'm going to share with you a completed project where I created a birthday gift. Now normally when you cut the box top, you're going to have a solid top, but I wanted to have this open so that you could see through to the inside. To create that opening in the box top, I simply die cut and embossed the box top and the layering panel at the same time. And to decorate the nuggets spelling happy birthday, I used the alphabet caps die set. Here you can see the box bottom, the box top, the box layer, and then the nugget box snowflake background die cut panel. I'm going to start out by adhering the box layer to the box top and then fold on all the score lines. Now if you're going to embellish your nugget box using the nugget box snowflake background die, you're going to want to adhere that panel in place before folding on the score lines. You can adhere that panel with barely art glue. You can then use a bone folder to reinforce your score lines so you have nice crisp scores. Then you're going to apply adhesive to all 4 tabs, fold those in, hold them securely, and that'll form the box top. Repeat that with all 4 sides. Then we'll set that aside and we'll work with the box bottom. When you die cut the large nugget box, this die cuts and scores for you. You can reinforce the score marks using your score pal and then fold on the score lines. Again, use a bone folder for a nice crisp score. Apply adhesive to the 4 tabs, fold those in, hold securely until the glue dries. Repeat that on all 4 sides to form the box bottom. And there you have the box bottom for the extra large nugget box. And here's the top of the box. You can then use the nugget wrapper dies and die cut from pattern paper. Add tape to the pattern paper and then wrap around your nugget. You can continue doing that until all your nuggets are wrapped and then place them inside your box and finish embellishing. For more inspiration using these and other Divinity Designs products, visit the product pages on our website, like us on Facebook, or follow us on Pinterest and Instagram.